The last question is from Fen. Fen asks, could you please provide additional details about the Talas Fund, including its current performance and strategic outlook?
Absolutely, Fen. Thanks for asking. So Masut Eltolu is on the call, and we launched this fund together. I'm here in Istanbul now. And so additional details. Well, so I've been coming to Turkey for about 20 years. My wife is Turkish. And Masut and I met through Guy Spear at one of the ValueX events in Switzerland over 10 years ago, or maybe, yeah, probably 11 years ago now. And over a few years of meeting in Turkey, he was showing me all these different companies' opportunities, and they are truly outstanding. I mean, we're talking global brands, as he mentioned, companies that are maybe have their costs in lira, which is a highly inflationary market. There's a lot of inflation going on with the currency, and can be selling products globally. There's a company, Archlick, for example, that I enjoy because we get to go tour the factories, and they make all these washers and dryers and air conditioners, and then they sell them all over Europe for euros, but they manufacture them here in Turkey. So sometimes they refer to Turkey locally as like the China of Europe, because it's inexpensive to manufacture things here. So Talas has just been a great, so Talas, the fund, so Masut is a true diehard value investor, low turnover, concentrated portfolio. And the positions that we've had in Talas, some of them have been held since inception. I mean, most of them have been held since inception. And the Talas fund has totally crushed the Turkish market. And that's with like no turnover, no taxes. It's just these compounding companies. But the S&P's done extremely well. So it hasn't outperformed like the S&P. But these emerging markets, as some of you may know, are highly volatile and can be enormously lucrative at times. So I think Talas is going to do, Talas is going to have some wonderful years. I think there's been 50% years at Talas. And so Talas is doing quite well. It's managed very, very well. You can read all of the reports at talascapital.com. The passwords, you can request all the passwords. I don't want to just post it on YouTube, but I'll secretly tell you all it's Buffett. So you can log in and look at the reports. Masut does a phenomenal job in putting all this data together. And we also do a Talas Turkey Tour, which is like one of the most fun times of my year. We get one of these big Mercedes buses. I know a lot of you on the call have even come here. Digby was asking a question. We've been here with many of you. And so we go around from company to company. We talk to the executives, we talk to investor relations, we tour the factories, and we just get to see there's just outstanding assets here that are so mispriced, and we're just patiently waiting for them to be properly valued.